In this video, I'll show you how you can add ClickBank affiliate links to your Wix website. So what you first need to do is obviously go to the website you want to add them to. So go to My Sites, go to Select and Edit Site, and go inside the Wix editor. Now once you're here, you then need to obviously create your website so it's specific to one affiliate product. Mine's just an example, but we'll pretend this text here is talking about a specific product. Now you will go to ClickBank, find that product, and you can then click Promote. Enter in your nickname, which is going to be your ClickBank username, then create hop link. Now this link here is going to be your unique affiliate link to this product, which in my case, I'll just copy. And in my case, this will go to the Smoothie Diet, which is a 21-day rapid weight loss program. So now let's go back to the editor and now let's pretend this text is about the Smoothie Diet. So let's just change this here just for the video's sake to the smoothie. And then this text here will pretend I've wrote and it's about the Smoothie Diet. So now you can kind of add your link in 3 different ways. The first way is by highlighting a specific bit of text. So say if I've got, and let's pretend this makes sense here, but let's say if I've got the Smoothie Diet, like wrote in some text, I could then highlight this Smoothie Diet, and here I can go to this link button and I can link to a web address, paste in our affiliate link from ClickBank, get that to open in a new window, click done, and I've now linked my ClickBank affiliate link to some text. I can also go ahead and click on add elements, and this one's pretty powerful. You can then add a button, and I can change this button text to buy now, or whatever you would want to change it to. You can then click here where it says where does this link to. You can then choose web address, paste it, and click done. And now you've got 2 different ways that people can go to your affiliate links. The last way is you can add elements. You can add an image. I'm not going to do this, I don't have an image, but you can upload an image of, say, smoothies in my case, and it would redirect to the Smoothie Diet. So those have been 3 ways that you can link ClickBank affiliate links in Wix.